Welcome back to the channel today. We're going to explore the 2025 Ford Mustang. The latest model in the Mustang lineup combines classic muscle car DNA with modern innovation to deliver an experience like no other. Starting with the design, the 2025 Mustang features a more aggressive and aerodynamic look. The front grille has been redefined for a bold appearance, while the sleek LED headlights and taillights give it a futuristic edge. The bodywork includes sharp lines and a wider stance, which not only looks great but also improves stability on the road. New color options and wheel designs allow drivers to personalize their Mustang to their liking. Under the hood, the 2025 Mustang comes with several powertrain options, starting with the efficient yet powerful 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine delivers solid performance for everyday driving. But for those who crave more power, the GT variant offers the iconic 5.0-liter V8 engine, producing over 480 horsepower. This ensures thrilling acceleration and that unmistakable Mustang roar. For the first time, Ford has introduced a hybrid Mustang, combining traditional engine power with electric motors. This setup provides excellent performance while improving fuel efficiency, making it perfect for drivers looking to balance power and sustainability. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Mustang features a driver-centric interior designed for comfort and convenience. It boasts a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable to show real-time performance stats and navigation. The central infotainment system has a large touchscreen with an intuitive interface, leading to support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto premium materials like leather upholstery and optional carbon fiber accents. Give the cabin a refined and sporty feel. Ambient lighting enhances the driving experience by adapting to different drive modes. On the tech front, the Mustang includes advanced safety and driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking provide peace of mind during daily commutes or long drives. Selectable drive modes let you fine-tune the car's handling and performance, whether you're cruising on the highway or taking on twisty back roads. The Mustang adjusts to deliver an optimal experience. Driving the 2025 Mustang is as thrilling as ever. The suspension system has been upgraded for improved handling and ride comfort, offering a smooth drive on city streets while maintaining sharp cornering abilities on the track. Acceleration is responsive, and the steering provides excellent feedback, making every drive engaging and fun. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Mustang remains competitive in its segment. The base model offers great value for those entering the sports car world, while higher trims provide additional power and luxury for enthusiasts who want the ultimate Mustang experience. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Ford Mustang. Let us know what you think about this exciting new model in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.